Meaning of English breakfast.
English breakfast.
English breakfast.
English breakfast.
English breakfast. English breakfast is a traditional breakfast of English origin that typically includes bacon, eggs, sausages, black pudding, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, and toast or fried bread. It is often served with tea or coffee and orange juice. The meal is hearty and filling, intended to provide sustenance for a long day of work or travel. It has become a popular dish in many parts of the world, and variations may include additional items such as hash browns, grilled onions, and kippers.